Hello guys, my name is Keys. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to know all keys on keyboard, all 12 keys, the solfa notation, how to know them. From your F sharp to your F. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys the method you're going to use to know them. You understand? Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this video channel, please do it to like, subscribe and share. So we're going to start it from F sharp. So the method we are going to be using is the tone, tone, semitone. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. What do I mean by tone? If you are on F sharp, this is your full tone, and this is from here to here is full tone. Then from here to here is half tone, which is the semitone. From here to here is your tone, which is your full tone. Then from here to here is semitone. Hope you understand it. Let me do it on F. From here to here is your full tone, which is your tone. Then from here to here, which is a half step, is your semitone. Hope you understand it now. That's what I mean by tone, tone, semitone. Tone, 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 semitone. So to know all keys, you're going to use this method, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. You're going to know the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do of all keys. So let's get to it. Assuming you want to know your F sharp. So this is your full tone. 1, 2 is your full tone. 1, 2. You have gotten your tone, tone. Hope you are getting it. Then your semitone. Then another tone, 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 semitone. It's very easy. So it's your tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Understand it? Every full step is a tone. Then the half step is the semitone. Like from here to here is full step. That is you jumped to a key to the next one. But this one, you just slide to the next key. That's the semitone. So that's how I got my tone, tone, semitone. Tone, 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 semitone. So that's how I get my do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. On F sharp. So same process on your G. On your G, this is your tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Let me do it again. It's your tone, tone, semitone. Semitone. So this is also foundation on your G. So now you have your you see, same process. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. So your tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. That's the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Same thing on your G sharp. On your G sharp, you get your tone, tone, semitone. Hope you're getting it. Then your tone, 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 semitone. Again, from G sharp is your tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. You see? Again, your G sharp, you get your tone, do, re, tone, semitone. Understand? Tone, 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 semitone. Hope you're getting it. That's on your G sharp. Then you come to your A. This is your full tone. Your full tone. Semitone. Tone, 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 semitone. You get it? Again, from your A, you get your tone, tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. Hope you're not confused. Again, from your A, you get your do, your tone, tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. That's on your A. Then from your A, you get your A sharp with your B flat. It's your tone, tone, semitone. Then again, your tone, 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 semitone. You see, from your B flat, again, you get your tone, tone, semitone. Then tone, 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 semitone. You see? That's from your B flat. Then on your B, see your tone here. 1, 2 is your tone. 1, 2 is your another tone. Then your semitone. Hope you're getting it. Then 1, 2 is your tone. 1, 2 is your tone. 1, 2 is your tone. Then semitone. See? Again, your tone, tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. Hope you are together. That's your B flat. Then on your C, you get your tone, tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. That is your. C is pretty much the white keys. That's the major notes. So on your C sharp, which is your D flat, same process, your tone, tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. Hope you got it. That is for your D flat. Then your D, same process, your tone, tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. Hope you're saying it. Your D. Then your D sharp is your E flat. You get your 1, 2, your tone. 1, 2, your tone. another tone, then your semitone, then your 1 2 tone, 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 semitone. It's very simple. You just want to do it for all the keys so you see it. On your E is your tone, tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. That's the formula. Then lastly on your F, your tone, tone, semitone. Then your tone, 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 semitone. That's how you have your. So it's very simple. If you want to know all the keys, from there you can now. If you want to learn, you can now practice on all the keys. So this is the formula to know all the keys, all the 12 keys on keyboard. Your tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Remember the tone is the 1 2. That is the full tone. The full movement. From here, you skip one key to the other. Is the full tone. Then the half step is the semitone. So that's how you have from your F, you have your 1 2 tone, 1 2 tone, 1 semitone, 1 2, another tone, 1 2 tone, 1 2 tone, then half step semitone. So guys, hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this very tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share